Hello and welcome back to Deano Outdoors. In our last episode, we were installing speakers in our Crestliner 1650 fishhawk. As you can see here, got one installed on that side. I also went ahead and installed the one on this side. So our next step is to go ahead and install the head unit, and we're going to be cutting a hole through here. And these are the tools you're going to need. So of course you're going to need your head unit, which I'm using a Boss. We're going to have a 3-inch cutout hole. You're going to need some wire clips, a tape measure, a marker, your safety glasses, and some sort of drill. So let's begin by cutting out the hole in the slot. Alright, so I'm going to take my cutout, my arbor, attach it in there. You're going to want to mark out the center or wherever you'd like the head unit. I'm actually going to offset mine down a little bit because when the cutout behind here was made from the factory, it already had a pre-cutout which was set off a little bit lower. So we got 5 inches. And we'll take it from the top down. We got 3 3/4. We're going to want to be a little bit lower. So we'll probably just offset it at about 2 and start and see how that looks from there. Alright, I'm going to start by drilling just a small pilot hole. Then I'll go ahead with this. And just go nice and easy, let it work in real slow, you don't want to crack anything. Try to clean up the edges real nice here. And we'll take our head unit and insert the wires in. And see how it fits. It's just a little bit snug, so I'm going to take my Dremel tool and just come in here and file down a little bit of this on top. now we'll check the fit again. And that fits a lot better. So we'll leave it like that. Alright, so I got my hole cut out, I got it pre-fit. Here's my wire harness already installed from Crestliner. You can see here the yellow and the red are pre-wired. So we're going to connect the wires from the head unit here to them. And then we're going to run the antenna cable out through the side. And then we'll insert this back in and tighten up this bracket and we'll power it up. Alright, everything's wired up. Gonna put that bracket on there now that holds the stereo in place. Got a little bit of a storm moving through, so don't mind the rain and thunder. Okay, everything's all wired up. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it on.
Open house party in less than an hour. Eminem coming up. Dua Lipa. We'll get to Chainsmokers. 95.5 WIFC. Macklemore Thrift Shop.
I'm gonna cop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is awesome.
This is the 1650 Fishhawk radio install. Stay tuned. My next video, I'm going to show you the breaking in of my 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. Thanks for watching.